Today, I would like to introduce Mr. Azzain Muhammad Hamid to talk about his experiment of rice in Al-Lukha village. Please start.
First of all, I would like to speak about rice in general. Rice is considered as one of the most important crops for food security. It provides a stable food over 3 billion people, representing nearly half of the world population. In Africa, there is a growing deficit between production and consumption, with the continent importing over 10 million tons of rice annually. Therefore, there is a gap between local demand and supply. So, as Sudanese government look for the rice as a new cash crop to supplement sorghum for self-sufficient and to export in the future, but the yield remain very low, about 0.98 to 1.3 ton per hectare. Therefore, it is more essential to study about fundamental technique, effect of nitrogen application, and different planting methods on growth and yield of constituent under abla rice conditions. So, this is variety. This experiment conducted in farm in a Lokha village in Snar state. Snar lies in southern part of the Sudan, between latitude 12.5 to 14.7 north, and longitude longitude 32.58 to 35.42 east. So this experiment, the goal of this experiment is contributing to increase rice production through the different planting method, and which nitrogen rate gives the best performance. This is experiment light in randomized complete block design with 3 replication. This planting method comprises of 2 planting methods: dibbling and drilling. Dibbling about 30 centimeters between rows and 15 centimeters between hills or holes, and drilling about 30 centimeters between rows. And also, this experiment comprised of 3 rate of nitrogen application: 0 nitrogen kilogram per hectare, and for 40 kilogram of nitrogen per hectare, and 80 kilogram of nitrogen per hectare. This is nitrogen application will be applied in form of urea 46% of nitrogen, and this amount of nitrogen application will be applied in 2 times. 2/3 of total amount will be applied about 21 days after sowing, and 1/3 of total amount will be applied at 20 days before heading. If you want to know 20 days before heading, you have to uprooting the plant, and so to dissect the panicle, so to measure the panicle formation. If the panicle about 1 centimeter and less than 2 centimeters, that means 20 days before heading. So this experiment is one of the Sudanese local variety. This variety is one of the most preferred by the consumer and by the farmer, because it will produce high yield, 3.6 tons per hectare. Also, this experiment will occupy so much area in the future. So after that, we record parameter for plant height and leaf area index, and the number of killers per plant, and number of leaves per plant, and number of spikelets per panicle, and number of panicle per square meter, and 1,000 grain weight gram, and grain and yield, grain yield ton per hectare. All these parameters will be recorded and analysis using ANOVA and Microsoft Excel and Statistics 9. This is a little bit about this experiment. Lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Goto, Japanese rice expert, for encouraging me and also for supporting me. Also, I would like to thank my supervisor, Dr. Adam Hassan, University of Snar, Faculty of Agriculture, Abu Naama. He is my supervisor. And also, I would be glad if I will be glad for your comment and for your recommendation. Thank you very much. Thank you for all.
Thank you for this presentation. يعني كان هذا الفيديو بقرية اللخة. إذا عجبكم الفيديو اضغط لايك بقناتي ود اللخة. شكرا للمشاهدة وشكرا باشمهندس الزين محمد حامد.